Hello everyone. So since it's a lovely day, I thought I should do a oil change on this Mitsubishi 4056 engine. I did one which was about a couple of months ago, but I've already done more than just above 10,000 Ks. So I thought probably should do it around 8,000 Ks just to keep everything internally happy. But should be all right. Normal diesel engines can go up to 15,000 Ks, so it is required by the manufacturer 15,000 Ks, but I normally do it at 10,000. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, the oil is drained. Now let's do the oil filter and then we'll top it up. So the oil filter is, probably you can see it, is down there. Last time I did it I had a bit of trouble, so it's better to remove the airbox, and then there's quite a good access through there, so I might have to replace the airbox, take out the airbox, undo the turbo hose, and then this nice and even space so I can spin it off and put the new one in. It's always a good idea to put oil before install a new filter on the seal here. Otherwise, if you don't do that, when you come for oil change next time, it's really hard to get the filter off. You can use just the old oil from the old filter. Just put it around the seal. It's just nice and doesn't get hard over time. guys. Finished with the oil change, oil filter, air filter, fuel filter. Everything's done. Give it a wash as well. Wash all the debris I used. Get all the old residue out. This job well done. Took a while, hour and a half, but yeah, should be good for another 10,000 Ks. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.